Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9 second lesson polynomials introduction. See here. First, what is a polynomial? Polynomial means poly means many, nomial means terms. Polynomial, many terms is there means it is a polynomial. So this lesson we will learn basic introduction of polynomials. Okay. See here. Here one expression is there, 2x square plus 5. And 3y square minus 9. These are all the polynomials. Last year we learnt algebraic expression lesson. These are all the expressions we learnt. So here polynomials here 2x square plus 5 is there. This is one polynomial. And 3y square minus 9. This is also polynomial. How many terms also? It is a polynomial only. See here 3x square plus 5x plus 9. This is also polynomial. I am writing only one term, 3x. This is also one polynomial. I am writing only 5. This is also polynomial. See here, many terms. Terms is there means it is a polynomial. See here, 2x square plus 5. One polynomial. 3y square minus 9. Polynomial. This is also polynomial. So this is the polynomial of x. Here variable x is there. This is the polynomial of x. Next, this is also polynomial. This is the polynomial of y. Polynomial y. Next, this is polynomial x. This is a polynomial z. Okay. Like this, we will write the polynomials. Next, here only one term is there. You observed here two terms is there. So then too it is a polynomial. This is also polynomial. How many terms also it is a polynomial. Here only one term is there. One term also it is a polynomial. Here only one number is there. It is a constant polynomial. Here 0 also one polynomial. This is called 0 polynomial. This is also polynomial. One term is there also it is a polynomial. Only number is only any 5 number is there. That is also polynomial. But that name is constant polynomial. 0 also polynomial. That polynomial is called 0 of the polynomial. Next, one more thing what we learn means in polynomial, what is the term? What is the variable? What is the coefficient? What is the exponent and power? Carefully listen better. Variable. Variable means what? See here, in the polynomial we are using x, here y, here z, here x using these all called variable. See here, which variable is there in this equation? X is the variable. In this equation, what is the variable? Y is the variable. In this one, x. In this one, z. In this one, x. So this one is called x, y, z. Small letters we will use in the equation. No? That alphabets is called a variable. Next, what is the coefficient? Variable after coefficient means what? Coefficient means, see here, this first equation I am taking. What is the first equation is there? 2x square plus 5 is there. Here what is the coefficient? X square coefficient. What is the x square coefficient? Means 2 is the x square coefficient. See here, any variable multiplied by one number. That number is called a coefficient. See here I am writing 3x cube plus 5x square plus 7x plus 5 is there. Okay. X cube coefficient means 3. X square coefficient means 5. X coefficient means 7. So variable backside number is called a coefficient. This is the coefficient. Next, exponent and power. Terms also is there. Here how many terms are there? 2 terms. Plus or minus, that divided 2 parts. No? So these two are terms. How many terms in this one? 2 terms. In this one also 2 terms. Here see, they 1, 2, 3 terms. Here how many terms? 2 terms. Plus and minus is considered as a terms. Otherwise I am writing 9x into 3 is there. This is how many terms? Only one term. Into not consider. 9 3 is we can write 27x. So this is how many terms? Only one term. Otherwise I am writing 9x divided by 3. 9x divided by 3. This is also only one term. Otherwise I am writing 9x plus 3. Here how many terms? 2 terms. I am writing 9x minus 3. How many terms? 2 terms. Middle plus or minus only it is the consider. So here 2 terms. Here minus is there 2 terms. Into is there only one term. Divide is there one term. Into and divide not consider, only plus and minus are the consider. So here how many terms? 2 terms. Here also 2. 1, 2, 3 terms. Here 2 terms. Here 1 term. Here this is also 1 term. This is also 1 term. Terms means, are you clear? Next variable means x, y, z alphabets we will use now. That is the variable. Coefficient means a variable backside number is called a coefficient. Y square coefficient 3. X cube coefficient 9. X coefficient 3. Z cube coefficient 8. Z coefficient 7. X coefficient 5. Like this coefficient. Next exponent and power. Exponent power. See here. In this one, x power what is there means 3. So highest power. X power what is there? 3. Y power what is there? 2. So exponent means this variable upside number. Okay, it is a power or exponent, anyone will call. So exponent and power are clear. Next, polynomial. Every number is not a polynomial. See here, here power only whole number is there means it is considered as a polynomial. Example, I am taking here, see here, 3x square plus 5x I am taking. See here, power you observe, positive number is there, whole number is there. Here also power 1 is there, whole number is there. Power whole number only consider as a polynomial. Otherwise, I am writing 3x to the power of minus 2 I am taking. Plus 5x to the power of 1 by 2 I am taking. This is not considered as a polynomial. Negative power is there means it's not a polynomial. Example here, see which one is not a polynomial. See here, these are not polynomial. Why not polynomial? So see, 3 root of x plus 4 is there. Root of x means it's a power 1 by 2. See here, this answer what you will get? 3x to the power of 1 by 2. Root is there means that power is 1 by 2 plus 4. This 1 by 2 not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. Next, this is there. 5 divided by x plus 9 is there. So denominator plus x is there means it is 5 into x to the power of minus 1. Denominator plus x is there means it's become a x to the power of minus 1 plus 9. So negative power also it's not a polynomial. This is also not polynomial. Here cubic root is there. Cubic root meaning what? 7 y to the power of 1 by 3 minus 3. So this is not a polynomial. Negative power. Fraction is there means it's not a polynomial. Okay. Next. Now we will learn degree of the polynomial. What is degree of the polynomial? Highest power in the variable in the polynomial. See here, this equation is that 5x to the power of 9 plus 4x to the power of 6 plus 2x is there. In this one, what is the degree of the polynomial? Means you see the highest power. Here 9 is the highest power. So degree of the polynomial is equal to what is the answer? 9 answer. Next, this one. 2x to the power of 5 plus 5x plus 4. What is the highest power of 5 is there? So this degree what? This degree is what is the degree of the polynomial? 5. In this equation, what is the highest? Here nothing means it is a 1. So what is the degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial in this equation, highest power what is there? 1 is there. So 1 is the degree of the polynomial. Now only constant is there, only number is there. This only number is there means degree of the polynomial what is there means it is a 0. Only constant number is there means a degree of the polynomial is a 0. Why? I will say yes here. Any number is there. I am taking 3. See here. In this one, power 0 also hidden consider. Okay, see here. Example, I am taking here variable is there. Variable, what is the variable? Something I am taking x. So here power what is there? 0 is there. So 3 into x to here degree also is there in this one, but hidden it is not visible. So 3 into x to the power of 0 I am taking. See beta, 3 into x to the power of 0 value how much? 1. So it is 3. So here what is the degree? Here degree is the 0 is the degree of the polynomial. Any constant number is there means degree of the polynomial is a 0. Next, I am taking 9 into x to the power of 9 is there. So here power what is there? 0. So it is considered as a 9. Okay, next, here degree of the polynomial, what here 0 is there, 0 is there means not defined. 0 is there means what is the degree of the polynomial means it is not defined. So here degree 9, here degree 5, here degree 1, constant number is there means degree 0, 0 is there means it is not defined. Okay, now types of polynomial on the basis of number of terms. See here on the basis of number of terms, polynomials are three types. One is monomial, one is binomial, one is trinomial. See Baba here, only 5x, one term is there. So it is a monomial. Next 9, only one term is there. It is a monomial. 12x, it is also one term. So it is a monomial. Mono means it is a one. Only one term is there in the expression, that is called monomial. Next here see better, binomial. 3x plus 2 is there. Here two terms are there. So it is a binomial. Here also two terms are there. Binomial. Here also two terms are there. Binomial. Bio means it is a two. Two terms is there means binomial. Next, any expression, three terms is there means trinomial. Here also three terms, trinomial. Trinomial means it is a three. Three terms is there means in the expression, that is a trinomial. Okay, on the basis of terms. One term is monomial, two terms means binomial, three terms means trinomial. Next, here see better. On the basis of degree. This is on the basis of terms. This is on the basis of terms, like this terms. This is on the basis of degree. On the basis of degree, see here, only highest power 1 is there means it is a linear polynomial. Highest power 2 is there means a quadratic polynomial. Highest power 3 is there means it is a cubic polynomial. See beta, in this one equation, here what is the highest power? 1. Here nothing is 1. So highest power 1 is there, it is a linear polynomial. In this one, why see? Highest power 1, so linear polynomial. In this equation, see, highest power 2 is there, so this is a quadratic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial. In this equation, what is the highest power? 3 is there. 3 is there means it is a cubic polynomial. On the basis of terms, one term means monomial, two terms means binomial, three terms means trinomial. Next, on the basis of degree, this is degree we will say, and highest power 1 is there means linear polynomial, highest power 2 is there means quadratic polynomial, highest power 3 is there means it is a cubic polynomial. Now, 0 of the polynomial are roots. 0 of the polynomial is what? X minus 5 equation is there. X place which value we are substituting means totally you will get 0 answer, that is called 0 of the polynomial. See here, P of x, 0 of the polynomial. See here, P of x is equal to x minus 5 is there. So x value, here P of x is equal to 0 I am taking. So x minus 5. Now see Baba, x is equal to, this minus 5 you send that side, 5. So x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 you are taking means overall that equation answer is 0. See Baba here, x minus 5 is there. So x value how much came? 5 came. So 5 minus 5. Overall answer 5 minus 5 it is 0. So 5 minus 1 plus 5 minus 5. Overall answer is 0. So 0 of the polynomial means x place which value you are substituting means that overall answer you will get 0. That is the 0 of the polynomial. Next come here, P of x is equal to, so this is I will take y. P of y is equal to y square minus 4. In this one, see Baba, what is the 0 of the polynomial? See here, P of y is equal to, I am taking 0. See here y square minus 4. See here, y square minus 4 send this side, it is a plus 4. Y is equal to, square after is equal to, it is become a square root. Okay, see here, y is equal to square root is there means it is plus or minus 2. See here, this answer is plus or minus, y is equal to plus or minus under root 4. So y is equal to plus or minus 2. So here this is which equation? Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means you will get answers 2. Linear equations means you will get answer 1. Cubic equation is there means you will get answers 3. So it is a quadratic equation. Power 2 is there, but answers you will get 2. Power 2. Quadratic equation means answers 2. Linear equations means 1 answer. Cubic equation is there means you will get 3 answers. It is right or wrong also we can see. See here, Baba. Y square minus 4 is there. Here y value what is came? Y value is equal to plus 2 and minus 2 both came. See, first I am applying 4c. Plus 2 whole square minus 4. 2 to the 4 minus 4. You will get 0 answer. Next this is over. Next we will apply y minus 2. Y square minus 4. Y value now applying minus 2 whole square minus 4. Minus into minus, it's become plus 2 to the 4. It is plus 4 minus 4. Overall answer you will get 0. So, it is what is the 0 of the polynomial? Plus or minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, this is the 0 of the polynomial. In exercise also so many questions are there. We did miss, we will get grip of again lesson. Next, last point, polynomial in more than one variable. This is also one polynomial. But here, more than one variable. See here, x2x cube plus 3y square plus 8z plus 3. Here, how many variables are there? X also one variable, y also one variable, z also one variable. Okay. In exercise also we did, means again we will get grip of this lesson. Again, you have any doubt also comment it. Subscribe my channel. Done.